So now that I have tried 3 months of Boxycharm, I had signed up for the like 3-month prepay thing. Am I going to keep or am I going to cancel my subscription? But before I answer that, I kind of kept a log of like all the values and everything of the 3 boxes, and you know, just everything, like things I liked, things I didn't like, stuff like that. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will have like a referral link below. I do get like, I think I get like a points or like store credit or something if you do sign up. So if you are interested in signing up and you want to, use my code below. Otherwise, no worries. So for my March box, the value of my box was $115.15. I had 4 loves and I had 1 kind of dislike from that box. From my April box, the value of that one was, based on the card, it was $148, but based on like the actual value, like there was like a price change that I think was maybe a mistake. The actual value of mine was $135. And out of that one, I had 3 loves and I had kind of 2 dislike products. And then finally for my May box, the total value of this one is $179. And this one had 6 products technically. So I would say for this one, there were about 1, 2, 3, 4, I would say 4 likes and 2 dislikes. And for me, the dislikes are the brushes, just because not the brushes themselves, but the prices that they say that these are worth is absolutely just, it's just not. So the grand total that I paid for the 3 boxes for the 3-month subscription was $58.98. So we'll just say $59 for, you know, safe rounding. And the total value out of all 3 of the boxes that I received was $429.15. So based on the price I saved, that's about $370 of like product that I essentially got for free. Now, of course, I think some of the products, like I mentioned, the brushes, were a little bit highballing their price range for them. However, with every single box that I got, there was at least 1 product that I really thoroughly enjoyed that was more than the price of the box, so I found it was worth it. Again, like I said, this product alone, $24. If they had sent me this alone, I felt like I would have been really happy with it for paying only about $19.66 a box. Okay, so this is an overview of everything that I got from my 3 months of Boxycharm. The only thing missing is 1 other lip product that I gave away, but this is everything that I got from March, April, and May. So I have 1 of these left. 3 packs of these came in my first box, so that plus 2 more. Then I have the Dr. Brandt. I have the ColourPop Semi-Precious eyeshadow palette. I have the Boxycharm Pure one, the Pur Sculptor Palette. I got a total of 7 brushes throughout the 3 months. I got 1 cheek product blush. I also got a gel eyeliner. I got a liquid highlighter, a primer, a mascara, a brow product, and again, I had another lip product, so 2 lip products total. But overall, I'm pretty happy with what my $59 got me. Definitely, I think a good value based on all the products that I like and everything that I got. So in the end, I think I am going to be keeping my subscription. I'm gonna keep doing the 3-month kind of like increments. I don't really necessarily want to commit to like the full year just yet, but I will do another kind of like cycle of the 3 months and continue doing videos on these. I really liked this. I've never tried a subscription box before this one, so this I think was a really good option, and I've been watching like videos of different boxes for like literal years, and I think Boxycharm just seems to be the most consistent with like having really nice full-size products. And if there are some brands that I've never heard of, like for example the Han lip color, I've never heard of this brand before, but like CoverFX, Pretty Vulgar, Pure Cosmetics, I've definitely heard of these before, and I'm glad that it's not all like some weird unknown company that I've never heard of before. So I think so far I've been pretty happy with all of my boxes, and I can't wait to get some more. And it's also kind of fun to like have like a mystery box come into your house like once a month and stuff, especially since I'm kind of a control freak, and I typically don't like things like that because I just want everything to like I don't know, it can definitely be a little bit of a gamble, but for me, every month there has been at least one product that I really liked that was more than the value of the box, so it worked out for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below, and until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.